Yeah. So then, yeah, thank you, Tilman, for the introduction, and welcome everybody to the next talk about from Antenna Engineering Day. So my talk will be about the antenna array design. And a short introduction, my name is Tobias Bernarding, and I'm working now here for CST or Simulia for 3 years. And my background is in general antenna array design or antenna design. So then first a short outline of the talk. What will we hear now in the next 60 minutes? So I will begin with a presentation of our antenna array simulation workflow. We will start with the design of a single antenna element using first antenna Magus, and then we go over to CST Studio Suite, where we will see in the array task the unit cell setup and the full array simulation. Then I will quickly show the new approach in version 2020 with simulation by zones. And after that, I will quickly go to some custom array layouts that we can create in Antenna Magus, or we can import our own written layouts as a TSV file. And then another study could be, for example, an element failure that I will show. And at the end, I will do all this as a live demo. So then, yeah, the first thing is I will talk about arrays here, and special the so-called phased arrays. And the question is now, what are they exactly? So an array is, per definition, yeah, it is a lot of single antenna elements which are working in close proximity. And why do we do this? Why can't we use not just a single element? So with more elements, we can achieve a higher gain. And yeah, this problem here is also the close proximity, because we have here strong mutual coupling between all the elements, and during the design we need to consider these effects because the single element is not working in isolation. And the question is now, why do we use the phased arrays? Yeah, this within the control of our of the phase of our single elements in the array, we can easily control the direction of our antenna beam, and this we can do without changing the geometry and without mechanical movement of the antenna. So yeah, the antenna will stay in this location, and with the phase shift we can do the rest here with the scanning. And yeah, I will use here in this talk now an example within 5G array together with a radome. And this array will consist of 60 elements, and the radome will be a polycarbonate radome. And we will design this for the N78 baseband for the 5G applications. Yeah, then as Mark already mentioned in the talk before, where do we start now with the antenna array design? We, yeah, the antenna engineer does not start from scratch normally. He will get some yeah, objectives that he needs to achieve. So he will get from someone else a requirement list. And for example, here in this case, from a designer, he gets an